Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. Pleasure to be joining you across time and space. If you're feeling overwhelmed, a bit stressed, anxious, worried, depressed, insecure, tired, hungry, sad, lonely, perhaps even joyful, whatsoever you feel is okay. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can alchemize some of the feelings inside into something more pleasant, more loving and trusting. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated position where you can be upright, aware of your posture, keeping that spine nice and extended, dropping the shoulders away from your ears, relaxing your face, relaxing the belly. Sound as you close the eyes, tuning into the sensation of sound, letting the sound fill your body, fill the mind. Becoming aware of the sensation of touch. Breathe in new life, new energy through the nose. And exhale old life, old energy out the mouth. And taking another deep breath in. Exhale with a sigh. Letting go of past. Letting go of future. Bringing the attention inwards. Becoming conscious. Opening your heart. Taking a deep breath, and a deep breath out, inhaling, and exhale, breathing in love, exhaling fears, worries, letting go of paranoia, letting go of insecurities that get in the way of love. Insecurities that get in the way of loving other people as they are. Taking a deep breath. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in and breathing out. Taking a deep breath Exhale, letting go, releasing. Inhaling new life. Exhaling, letting go of past. Becoming aware of your body, aware of your posture. Relaxing your face. Relaxing the belly. Letting go of tension. Letting go of frustration. Letting go of any anger. Any mistakes that have been made recently. Any shame, any guilt. Coming back into trust in the unfolding of life as you breathe in. Hold the breath at the top. And slowly exhale. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Very nice, my friend. Returning back to your body, becoming aware of the present moment. Unlike any moment that's come thus far. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Breathing in. Exhale. The color for today is green. The number is 5. And the animal is a jaguar. I thank you for joining me across time and space. Becoming aware of how you're seated, aware of your surroundings, aware of how you feel after taking some deep breaths. Sending a big hug across time and space, wishing you an abundance of love, of light, of prosperity, of health, of wealth, of friendship, of laughter. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.